Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT R15 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, and now you have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now on the third position we've got date and time, so let's enter, and here we've got some options which we can customize. So first of all, we can decide if you'd like to use the automatic date and time, which will be provided by the network, or you can set it manually. So simply tap on this option, and as you can see, you can tap on off, so you will set it manually, but also you can use GPS provided time, so it's up to you, but I will pick off. And now I can freely tap on the date, and from this calendar I can choose the date I want to currently set. So for example, this one. Remember to confirm with OK. You can of course do it you can of course do the same with the time, so just from this clock choose the time you'd like to have. It also immediately appears on the status bar. What's more, the same situation will be with the time zone. Now we are using network provided time zone, but after tapping on this switcher, we can easily select the time zone manually. So as you can see here, we've got the full list of all the regions from which we can choose the time zone. So let me pick, for example, the Madagascar, and let me get it back. And as you can see, it's very important, be aware that if you will change the time zone manually, then the time will also change directly and, according to it. Under it, we've got the clock format options, and we can decide if you'd like to use the 24-hour format, just like now, or 12-hour format. So in order to do that, just tap on the switcher here, and as you can see, it immediately changes. Of course, you can use automatic 24-hour format, and then it will be set according to the local default. So actually, this is how to customize the date and time. Of course, you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on the switcher to use 24-hour format, tap on the switcher to use automatic time zone, and let's set network provided date and time. So actually that's all. This is how to set date and time in your CUBOT R15 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.